Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the last video before your guys' end of school year. Today is April 17th, 2017, and I'm in the tractor right now prepping ground for our first day of corn planting. Woo! We are all excited here on the farm. Many months of hard work and office work and everything else setting it up are finally bringing ourselves to today, which we get back in the field and do what we love doing. So I'll just share with you a little bit of video here of me working some ground. And what we're doing that for is we're prepping the soil for planting, leveling it off, incorporating some fertilizer and some residue. And then later on, my brother will come in here with the corn planter and we'll get some pictures and videos of that as well. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video of Vietnam. I know it was a little cut up. Cell service was pretty rough over there, so I had a tough time. The cell service being bad, it was tough to take very good videos and get them uploaded. My phone only allows so many, so hopefully some of that made sense to you guys. It was a great trip for me just to see how people live and operate in other parts of the world, and it just gave a big appreciation for the freedoms and the luxuries we have here at home. So we're very lucky to be from America, no matter how bad things may seem. We are very fortunate, and we need to remember that, and that was good. So I'll send some more videos along here, and we'll keep updating you through planting season. Hope you guys enjoy your spring. All right, now I'm in the planter. I'm planting corn out here. You can see the prepped field, and I'm in the tractor, and behind me I'm pulling our planter. That front tank, a yellow one, that contains liquid fertilizer that we put down by the seed to help early seedlings have enough nutrition to grow. And the two big yellow tanks behind it hold the seed, and they get shoved out by air to all the little units. You can kind of see the little small yellow boxes out on the end. Each one of those things has a row unit, they call it, and that's where the seed goes, and it drops down into the furrow. And the furrow is created by all these wheels spinning underneath there, cutting the soil away and making a nice little V for the seed to drop into. And then it gets covered up, and you can kind of see back behind me some of the lines, and that's what they look like when they're covered up. I'll get out and show you a closer look at the planter later. Alright guys, so this morning we're doing some spraying. We are putting on some herbicide to keep the weeds from competing with the corn in the field. And this here is just the sprayer. You can see these long booms out here. There's a stainless steel tank up there. That's where our solution goes, and we spray it out in these booms. They're 90 foot wide, and you can see these nozzles here, and it sprays it out with pressure. That truck there is a tender truck. It's got water in the blue tanks, and then there's our tank of actual herbicide there, the white thing, and we put that in. So one of the misconceptions about spraying, one of the big misconceptions about spraying is that we're putting on just tons and tons of chemical. So actually what we're doing, when you see a bunch of the spray coming out of these tips and these booms, it looks like a lot, but actually what we're putting on is a full total solution of about 10 to 12 gallons per acre. Remember, an acre is about the size of a football field. Well, in all reality, most of that is water. We use water as a carrier. The actual chemical that I'm putting on today, I'm using about 32 ounces per acre. That's 1 quart over a whole football field of that chemical. So we're really not putting a whole lot on. And you can see here some of the stuff we use. This is the transfer pump to fill the sprayer up with water quickly. And there's my garbage container to keep stuff so we don't litter. But that's just what we're doing today, is we're spraying this cornfield that was planted a couple days ago and trying to keep the weeds from competing. This here's my in-cab tractor monitor. and it monitors the performance of the tractor, tells me how many acres I've done, how much fuel I'm using, how fast I'm going. If I bring up this page here, that shows a little line, and that's my auto guidance. We get set up for auto steering and straight line navigation. And as you can see, got a pretty straight line out there ahead of me. The other thing you'll notice is, look, no hands. The tractor's driving itself. That helps us to be efficient and not overlap and waste any fuel. And it is a beautiful day today. Right now I'm running right at 7 miles an hour. So we're burning right along.